the commander, having been tasked to execute the mission, receives his orders from the regional headquarters. Based on his orders, he quickly sketches his plan in SitaWare Frontline for his subordinate units, assigning them combat ready. The commander sends his sketch to his subordinates and the regional headquarters, so they are fully updated on the commander's intention at all times. All units will see each other in the friendly force tracking picture, as well as the tracks of the UAV. When the units move into action, all units and headquarters staff can see the exact positions of the unit closing in on the target. In the area of operation, the units are now at their designated positions, as ordered by their commander. The latest information and UAV images are sent to his subunits, and final orders given on radio. When dismounted, the personnel switch on their mounted cameras and hook up with the patrol that initially spotted the hostile activity. The units are ready to move in after verifying that the person observed is indeed preparing hostile activities. The teams start transmitting their observations and images back to the commander and regional headquarters. When approaching their target, the teams take fire from the target and his backup units. The teams immediately respond and take up the firefight, frog leaping under mutual support. The teams move slowly closer to the target, when suddenly more soldiers are hit by small arms fire. The commander, having observed men down, immediately sends a distress contact message from SitaWare Frontline to the regional headquarters, followed by a 9-line medevac request. The medevac request is received at the regional headquarters for their immediate action. The staff quickly investigates the situation in SitaWare headquarters by evaluating the data received from the troops on the ground. Based on the intel and forwarded medevac request, the staff identifies an available medevac helicopter and assigns it to the active mission. Shortly after, the helicopter receives a mission alert in their SitaWare Frontline and takes off and rushes to the scene of the accident. In the medevac helicopter, the crew observe the positions of the ground forces on their battle control system. The troops on the ground can also follow the track of the helicopter. The helicopter crew can communicate directly with the commander, who sketches the exact in- and outbound route to the ordered landing zone. This saves time and keeps headquarters up to date on the mission. The medevac helicopter arrives at the LZ, and the wounded personnel are quickly boarded for rescue. Despite the trouble of taking casualties, the teams have meanwhile succeeded in neutralizing the target, taking several prisoners. Using their battle control system software, the commander transmits photos and even other biometric data back to the regional headquarters and to the command and control center. Also, the commander fills in his after-action review report on the incident and forwards it to his superior authority. Using the advanced but yet simple-in-use battle control software, SitaWare Frontline, together with sophisticated command and control software, SitaWare Headquarters ensures that military, special forces of police, and emergency units can speed up their decision-making process. Having software and tools with the right set of capabilities is a tremendous benefit to the troops and units engaged in the line of fire, where decisions and the need for swift support are imminent. Exchanging information over existing tactical radios and e.g. satellite communication or even 3G renders enhanced force protection and ensure a better chance of survival and neutralization of any hostile combatants.